Hi, class. My name is Jamie, and I'm here to talk to you about water. I study conservation biology across the country, and this means that I spend my time learning about the Earth's natural resources and how to protect them. And my favorite of these resources happens to be water. Now, when we're talking about water that we use, we're talking about a very small percentage of the water on the planet, 1% to be precise. 1% of all the blue on this planet is available for human use. That means fresh, potable water that is in rivers, lakes, and aquifers. Although the ocean is big and beautiful, we can't use salt water for drinking, cooking, laundry, and the other plethora of uses we have for water on a daily basis. First, before we narrow down exactly where our water comes from, let's do a little recap on what we know about this invaluable resource. Water is perhaps our most important renewable resource because none of us could live without it. No matter where you are in the world, the water that you use has been reused on Earth in different forms since the beginning of time. That means the water you drink could have at one point been dinosaur pee. And that is because of the water cycle, which should look familiar to most of you, if not all of you. Now let's take a closer look at this simplistic image of the water cycle. Here we see the three basic parts of the ongoing cycle. When it rains, snows, or sleets in the form of precipitation, that water falls to the earth, and some of that fresh water is then evaporated and condenses into clouds and eventually falls again in the form of fresh, cleansed water, filling our rivers, streams, and aquifers. So ultimately, there is the same amount of water on Earth today as there was when Earth was formed. But how does water that falls on our streets and in our backyards make its way to rivers and streams? The answer leads us to the single most important word in today's lesson that I want you all to say aloud when you see it, and that word is watershed. Now, the reason why this word is so important is because no matter where you are on the planet, you are in a watershed. And in case you're already tired of hearing my voice, click on the link to watch a short video about watersheds being explained by a guy with an Australian accent.